everyone, it's Alessandro Broxer from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some dehydrated strawberry and kiwi chips. These are made with slices of fruit that are layered together and welled during the process, and you end up with these paper-thin fruit chips. These are a beautiful garnish for desserts, drinks. You can also use different fruits following the same method. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. We'll be using strawberries and kiwis, and those are the only ingredients, nothing else. Start by thinly slicing the strawberries. You can use a mandolin or a knife and cut thin slices. They should be between 1 to 2 millimeters in thickness. If also making kiwi chips, then peel and slice the kiwis. I'm gonna be cutting the chips with a circle cutter for a perfect circle shape. For that, I'm arranging the slices first over some parchment paper. If you wish to have the chips more freeform, you can arrange the slices directly over a non-stick silicone mat. The cutter gives the chips a nice round shape, but they're just as nice with the natural shape of the fruits. Once they are cut, I cover them with a silicone mat and flip them to transfer. Remove the parchment paper and slide the mat onto a baking sheet. I am also going to be making a few chips without cutting them. Cover the fruits with another silicone mat and an extra baking sheet to weight it down. Then, bake it in a preheated oven at 200 Fahrenheit, 93 Celsius for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove it from the oven, then remove the top tray and top silicone mat. The fruit will have started to soften. Lower the oven temperature to 175 Fahrenheit, 79 Celsius, and place the tray back inside. Dehydrate the chips for about 2 hours. They should be completely dry to the touch when done. Remove it from the oven and let it cool slightly. Then carefully remove the chips as they will have turned paper thin. The chips will be crispy when they're first made. Since the chips are so thin, once they are stored, they do soften and become more of a fruit leather texture, like this one that I made the day before. But they still taste great when soft. Same with the kiwi chips. They're crispy when they first come out of the oven. But they do become pliable once stored. The chips can be easily crisped up again by returning them to a low temperature oven for a few minutes. They can even be shaped before crisping them up again. To store, I like to place the chips between layers of parchment paper, then place them in a Ziploc bag or airtight container. These chips make for a beautiful garnish, but they're also tasty on their own. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.